It's time to get sexy on Secular Sexuality.
Hello and welcome to Secular Sexuality. I am Megan, and with me is my co-host.
Howdy, I'm Christy.
And today is our launch. How are you feeling about that?
Hey, I am super excited. We've been doing this for a couple of weeks now for a lot of people who are close to the ACA, and we're really excited to be out there wide and to get to meet all of y'all and show you what we've been working on.
Yeah, we've got a lot of fun stuff. Today's going to be more an introduction to us and some fun shenanigans we have planned. Not too much serious stuff today, but that's not to say that we won't get serious at some point.
Yeah, so what then is us if we're introducing us, right? I mean, definitely shenanigans. Mentioned that, covered that.
Yes.
Gonna be some shenanigans.
Yes, for sure. I do believe we are also discussing some educational side of things, especially for those people who are coming out of religion. Sex is not necessarily something they were told much about, or were told not to do.
Yeah, we're kind of not allowed to talk about it, right? We're allowed to use it in our advertising for everything from shampoo and gum and whatever the hell else.
M&Ms.
Right, exactly. Strong sexuality. That green M&M, you're not wrong.
It is sexy.
You're not wrong. That is a
yes.
sexy M&M.
It is.
Welcome to getting to know us, by the way. Now
Yes.
you know a little bit more about me than you maybe wanted to right out the gates, but yeah, it's a sexy M&M.
It is.
So yeah, we're here to talk about sexuality in a way that we don't often get to.
Right. And also to touch on those topics that, either people coming out of religion haven't had someone to, talk to them about, tell them it's okay, just expand your horizons a little, or just in general have some fun and maybe laugh at our expense.
Hopefully not just at our expense, but yeah, bring it on.
I'm willing to take a few laughs on the chin, if it helps kind of move the message along.
Yeah, you don't grow up with this face without getting a little used to taking some hits.
That's very true.